What if your coding assistant could build and manage an entire team of AI agents for you? Less than 89 hours ago, Claude Code introduced something game-changing: Subagents. And minds are already blown. Claude Code is no longer just a smart coder. It's an orchestrator. Type /agents, and you can spin up your own AI dev team, customized to your workflow. Need a research agent that gathers sources? Another to summarize findings? One more to turn insights into working code? You can chain them together. You can loop them. Using /commands, Claude lets you build complex agentic systems in minutes. I recently built a multi-agent research system. One agent finds the data. The next analyzes it. Another writes code. A fourth tests and refines it. All inside Claude, without ever switching tools. I also created an evaluator loop. An agent that codes, one that tests, and one that reviews. It's fast. It's reliable. It's like having a full AI team inside one chat window. This is the fastest way to build and experiment with agentic workflows. And it's not just for developers, writers, analysts, marketers. Anyone can use this. If you haven't tried Claude's new Subagent feature yet, this is your sign. Like, share, and subscribe for more demos. And in the comments, let me know, what's the first task you'd assign to your Subagent?